To show a roaming clock on your lock screen while you are roaming in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap the gray on off switch next to roaming clock to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. If needed, you can do some customization to your roaming clock. To do so, tap roaming clock. Here you can change your home time zone, including the region and its time zone. Also, you can decide to show or not to show the roaming clock in your always on display when it's enabled. As a note, this feature will work when you are traveling to different countries. In other words, your phone will automatically display the time both where you are and at home while you are roaming in your lock screen, and always on display if it's active. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.